Yes. Oh, he's getting excited today. So it is the 14th for us, yes?
Yes.
And 15th for you.
Why?
Dad's
Is
first.
it the 15th for them?
Because they're watching it on the 15th.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you watch it a day behind.
Yeah.
I've
you
always
realise that?
been a day behind anyway.
Up until this year, I have always been trying to film and edit and upload Vlogmas on the same day, and I decided that I didn't want that stress this year.
Very
So I
sensible.
started Vlogmas on the 30th of November, and then the actual, so there'll be a video on Christmas Day, and as I say, I am also planning on filming some stuff for the week between Christmas Day and the 3rd of January, but I'm not going to be filming daily on Christmas Day and after that, so we won't be filming opening the presents this year.
Santa coming on Christmas Day?
He is, yes. Yes, stockings. Well, as long as he knows where we live. Do we know where we live yet?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
No.
Okay, good to know. Right.
Maybe 2 o'clock.
Yeah. let's do
Or
that.
tomorrow.
That one hasn't even got a number on it. It hasn't even got a number
What number are we
on it.
looking
We're
for?
looking for 14. This one has nothing. I'm guessing it's this one because I can't see 14
Could be the
anywhere
25th.
else. No, there's no. That's the 24th, 22nd, 20th, 15. Oh, 14. There we go.
Right between your eyes.
Mum's abandoned us. Oh, Mum!
It's-
They're bright yellow.
Oh, it's lemon.
Oh,
So
limoncello.
It's white chocolate.
Mandelkern is almonds. White chocolate, limoncello
White chocolate.
almonds.
White chocolate and almonds with lemon. Bit like sherbet bonbons.
Yeah,
They do look like sherbet bonbons. There we go. They do look like sherbet bonbons, and if they were sherbet bonbons, I think I would have to steal one.
Yes.
I haven't had those for the longest time.
No.
Yeah, that's why
There's
I
a
made.
song there, you know, for the longest time.
No, don't.
I think I ought to write some. No. Okay. Oh.
That's why I made you open Rachel Martin's present on camera, because we're not going to be filming opening Christmas presents on Christmas Day. Yeah? Better than yesterday?
It's glorious.
Oh! Definitely better than
Oh,
yesterday.
really nice.
Up there?
Oh, it's up there.
Up there, awesome.
You got packets of stuff down there.
It's to
We
be
doesn't really like those ones, clearly.
it's to be savoured rather than just crunched down on and
I can
swallowed.
imagine.
Oh, it's delicious.
I really want some lemon bonbons now. Are you going into town?
No,
Oh, damn it.
no.
Okay, let's see what Mum has today. It's getting
Really good.
Exciting.
getting emptier and emptier in there.
Yes.
I think we, yeah. Oh,
Have that. Ooh.
what does that feel like?
I don't know.
I thought it was.
A zip.
For the cushion.
Oh, right.
Okay. Exciting. And a dark
Exciting.
chocolate, so she's happy. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
My project.
And then what do I have? Ooh, let's take a guess.
Yes, I think I'm going to eat.
Oh, it's a chocolate heart this time, so it is a little bit different. So that's good. So my happy mail this morning was some zips. I've got a open-ended white one with rose gold teeth and an open-ended navy one with silver teeth, and these are for the hemispheric coats because, as you guys know, I want to make two. So I want to make my cream wool one with the floral lining from Lanzarote, and then I want to make a navy wool one with the cream and navy polka dot lining from Saudi Arabia. So that was my happy mail today. I have absolutely zero idea what I'm going to do today because, as I mentioned, I don't really want to start another giant coat project, although I'm tempted, until we know if we're moving this weekend or not. So I was thinking I was going to do some quick like knit projects like the Sheridan sweater with the stuff that I got from Higgs and Higgs, but Mum's currently sewing up a Renfrew. She is nearly finished, so I can have my overlocker back soonish. But we've been getting quite a few, well, I've been getting quite a few questions in the comments as well about why aren't we packing if we're moving this weekend, and I think I've mentioned it quite a few times, but we are paying a company to move us, and that includes packing everything. So that's why we don't, if we find out today if we can have the house, we then need to find out if the removal company can fit us in this weekend to come in and start packing us up and move us. And they literally do everything. They They turn up with all the packing materials boxes and they pack the house down, which is a really good job because we were meant to be moving on the 22nd of October, and if we'd been packing ourselves, we would have been living out of boxes for the last 2 months, which would have been utterly miserable. Thank goodness we decided to go down that route. It is expensive, it's incredibly expensive, but the stress that it saves is totally worth it. So that's why we're not packing up our house at the moment, is because we're having a moving company come in and do it for us. Yeah, I'm not remotely sure what I'm going to do today. I don't know. I might see if I could, because I've only bought a metre of those fabrics from Higgs & Higgs, but I did buy ribbing to go with it. So I might see if I can cut the Sheridan sweater out of that 1 metre of fabric, and if I can get that sewn up. I also have a t-shirt cut out that I cut out ages ago that I should sew up as well, but it needs white overlocker thread and I've got black overlocker thread on at the moment, which is good because that's what Mum was using, but yeah, I'm being a bit lazy. So I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll see how the mood takes me.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
I didn't have enough of the knit fabric to cut out either the Sheridan or the Astoria. The Sheridan, the sleeve is slightly too wide. I just don't have enough of it. I only ordered a metre of both of them. I didn't realise that the print as it were kind of runs from selvage to selvage rather than up and down the length of the fabric, which does make a bit of a difference when you're cutting it out. So I'm going to order a little bit more of both so that I can make Sheridan sweaters out of both of them, because I really like that silhouette. I've only made one so far and it was in a kind of wearable muslin fabric, which I have since donated because it wasn't fabric that I was ever going to actually wear, so it was just muslin fabric really. So instead I have cut out the McCall's 7906 skirt from the brushed cotton twill. This fabric, this pattern suggests sateen, chino, cotton blends and twill, so fingers crossed this will be a good option. I'm definitely going to need to wear a petticoat underneath it or a slip underneath it to if I want to wear this with tights, because I know this fabric will stick to tights horrendously. But yeah, I've cut that out. It's quite there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pattern pieces. It should be quite an easy make, so I'm going to get on with that, and then I shall order some more of the, hopefully they have it in stock, I should order some more of that sweater knit fabric from Higgs & Higgs. More time lapse for you. I've just been and cooked dinner for me, Mum and Dad. We had teriyaki beef, which was nice. It wasn't the most amazing dinner that we've had from this box though. I think that's still the herb encrusted salmon. That was really good. So I'm going to get this skirt finished. Yeah, I'm going to get it finished because I was going to say I'm going to get it at least done to the buttonholes, but I might as well just, you know, get it finished. So that's the plan.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Okay, skirt is finished except for buttons and buttonholes, but I am going to stop tonight. I, for some reasons, trace a size 12, which gives a finished waist measurement of 28.5 inches, which is what my waist is, but this skirt is tight, and I think it might be because I've eaten, you know, quite a large dinner this evening. But I'm gonna put the buttons and buttonholes in tomorrow because there's absolutely no way that I'm going to be able to do this up when it's finished this evening. But I really like how it looks, and the construction was interesting. So it's, yeah, I mean, it was quite a fun make. Bit bummed that it's not going to immediately fit me, but I will get it to fit me at some point, you know. So yeah, and I'm glad that I used this fabric on it because this fabric, as I say, I have a lot of it and it was not expensive, so that's good at least. I have come back up to mine. I finished working on the skirt about 8:30, about sort of 2 hours after I finished dinner. I really like how it's come out. I'm so annoyed with myself. I just haven't given myself any wearing ease, so it fits, but it's too tight to be fit comfortably, and when I have the buttons on, they're going to be under strain, which is annoying, but it has given me a kick up the backside because I really do want to lose a little bit of weight, and I'm going to do some exercise tonight. I'm going to try and get back into some gentle daily exercise and build it up from there. I keep meaning to do it, and I start and I do a day, and then I wake up the next day and the lactic acid's kicked in and I can't move, and yeah, so I thought, yeah, I'm gonna start trying to do some exercise again because I keep saying I want to lose weight, and it's more about being fit and fitting into my clothes that I have been making for years now. But I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I did it. And if I traced the one size bigger, it would probably fit me right now. But never mind. It will be easy to either retrace, or if I do make it again, probably retrace. But I could totally just adjust the length of the facings and not make the pleats quite so deep. But I mean, I really like how the skirt looks overall, so maybe I'll just retrace it. Or maybe I'll lose some weight. Who knows? Who knows? So today has really not gone according to plan. Did not have enough fabric for the Sheridan sweaters by quite a long shot. So I'm going to order some more of both colours, and I really hope they still have them in stock. I'm going to order enough so that, because the 1 metre I have isn't wide enough to cut the sleeves out the way that the pattern goes. So I need to have like I need to have about 1.5 meters more basically. And I'm going to end up with some fairly decent sized scraps, but not, maybe for like, oh, what's the name of the company? I can't remember, but I have the Geo sweatshirt and also the Diamond sweatshirt, so you know, I can use some of the offcuts for the smaller pieces of that, so it won't be wasteful to order more of that fabric because I really like it. Should have just ordered more to begin with. Should have looked to see how wide it was and which direction the print went. But never mind, it's not the end of the world. So yeah, I'm gonna order some more of that from Higgs & Higgs this evening. Anyway, yeah, that's been my day. We've heard nothing about the house, so we are hoping to hear tomorrow. We'll see, who knows. But yeah, we haven't heard anything about the house today, so fingers crossed we hear tomorrow and the moving company can actually move us at the weekend. So fingers crossed, please. Wish us luck. You're the touch wood, good thoughts, all those kind of things. But yeah, I've got a video to edit. I have some admin to do. I've got some emails to answer. So I'm going to love you and leave you. So I hope you've enjoyed my day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.